How to see messages on Messenger without being seen. So there are two ways on how to do this. The easiest and most convenient way is to make sure that your iOS version is up to date. Go to your settings, to general, and then proceed to about. Just make sure that there is no updates available. Once you're updated, you can go to your Messenger. You can choose a conversation and then press and hold it. And this way, you can read the messages without making your account see the message. Now, another way is to turn off your internet connection before tapping on the conversation. After turning off the Wi-Fi, read the message. After reading, go to your settings application and then proceed to general, click on storage, find the Messenger app, and then click on this offload app. Once this is finished, reinstall it again after. So that is how to see messages on Messenger without being seen. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.